Here we've got CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select Backup and Reset right here, and go to Backup My Data. So as you can see, it is active. If it's not, you have to click on the switcher one more time, and then click on Backup Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to use your backup account to log in actually with it. And now just enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account, and then tap on Next. Here it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And tap on Next. And as you can see here, you've got Google Play Terms of Service, Google Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, just if you'd like to read it, mark it once and then pick the document. Here you've got the details. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions presented there, just tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, Google Backup has been activated, and just click on accept to confirm your selection and finish the process. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.